Alright guys, so we're going to try and tint this. I've never tinted anything in my life, but it seems easy. We're going to try it. And if it didn't work out, well, you didn't see this video. So, make sure you go down there and hit the like button, share, and don't forget to become a subscriber. Only 85% of my people watching are not subscribers. Get subscribed. It really helps grow the channel. It's really awesome. So we went to AutoZone and got this stuff for $11.99. This was like $5, and this was like $4. So they come with this cloth. We went ahead and cleaned this, even though it's brand new. We went ahead and cleaned it anyway. And remember in my video on how to install these, I said that if you applied window tint, it would save this from scratches. For $11, I mean, there's tint, and you truly don't even need this stuff right here, but I got it just to show you guys. So we're going to apply it to the back side, which kind of contradicts what I said, but that's only because I should have tinted it and then had her put the logos on. But for you guys, you apply it to the front and the rear if you like, both sides, and it'll protect it from scratches. And then you can put whatever you want to on the front of it, and then this is removable. It's supposed to be easily removable. I don't know. I don't plan to test that part of it. So without further ado, let's see how this goes. So we bought the 35%. I went with 35% because I didn't want it super dark, because I still wanted to be able to see through it in certain areas if I want to, if I need to. They had super dark stuff and I just didn't want to do super dark, but you can do whatever colors you want. AutoZone has a small selection. Walmart also has a very small selection, but Amazon has a huge selection for the same price point. I just didn't want to wait on it. I wanted to see how it turns out. And if this turns out okay, then we're looking for a specific color to do my wife's in. So we're going to roll it out like so. Ooh, you've got enough? I was gonna say, we should have enough. Okay, move it up. Let's see how this goes. Okay. We gotta trim it. So we're gonna not really mess with this down here too much. Well, we're going to go ahead and get her close. We gotta leave us enough to where we can do that lip also. We just want to get her close. All we want to do right now. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to roll that back up because there's still a lot of usable tint here. I don't know what we're going to use it on, but it's, hey, it's there. Never know. Put that on there. Okay. Then we're going to take this back off. We're going to spray this. This is the window film application spray. We're going to spray it kind of liberally here. Just like so. You get plenty of it on there. Lay this down. puncture it. We have to get this apart. Right down, we don't want it to stick together. That's why we wetted the window, to kind of help us a little bit. Okay, there we go. Don't be afraid of it. Not gonna hurt a soul. Now we're gonna flip it. Wetting that makes it so you can move it around, like so. Alright, got that about as good as we're going to get it. Now we're going to want to trim it. Remember, the bottom doesn't have to be perfect because your trim is going to cover that up. Nobody will ever see it or know that your screw up is there but you. So keep that in mind. I mean, the rest of it came out great. It's this. Eyeball it right on this line. Let's see what that brings us. Not horrible. Not bad for a first timer. There we go, guys. So guys, our tint job, it's by no means on a professional level, and I'm sure I could use some practice, but it does look good. And honestly, on this side of the fence, you really can't see any imperfections. So I'm happy with that. On the inside of the cab, you can see a couple of spots where I didn't really get it that well, and it's really not even that noticeable. I mean, right down in here, you might not even be able to see it on camera, but you know what? It doesn't hurt to buy this stuff cheap and play around with it. So, you know, I'm not a professional window tinter, but it does look good and it gives you something to do. You can think of it as like a crafty item, keep you busy on a boring Saturday, something like that. But I may actually buy some cheap, crappy plexiglass and order a bunch of that stuff cheap on Amazon and just play with it. And hey, it never hurts nobody. So I hope you guys like this little video on how to do that. It's not that hard. And really, it only took me about 15-20 minutes to do that. And getting the air bubbles out, that's like the hardest part. I don't know. Now I do know they make some that you can shrink it with a heat gun and get those imperfections out. So maybe that'd be something to look into, guys. But let me know what you think. I definitely appreciate you watching, and I really can't wait to get out on the trail. As soon as our trail's open, man, you know, there's a lot of riding around here, but it's also a lot of trespassing, and I'm not keen on that. The ATV industry is already taking a big hit. I don't want to be that guy that's out tearing up somebody else's property, so I'd rather just wait and pay to ride where I know I won't be bothered by the cops. I know my machines won't be impounded and whatnot. So with that being said, guys, happy riding. God bless, and thank you so much for watching. And please consider getting subscribed down below. It really helps the channel grow, and I can do more stuff. I'm going to be out here more when it warms up. It's super freaking cold out here. I hate the cold. I can't wait to sell the house and move somewhere where it's nice and warm. That's me and her's plans in the near future. I don't know when or where. I don't know, but we want to move somewhere where it don't snow. So it'll especially help out the YouTube channel. So, all right, guys, peace out and God bless.